Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. For the month of April, I'm going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon box, and I'm so excited. Every month this just brings some happiness to my life. So without further ado, let's open the box and check them out in the comment section and description box down below and let them know I sent you guys. They have such a neat moon market, and their subscription boxes like this one, they have such neat magical things. And ooh, I'm seeing fun stuff. Okay, let's see what the theme is. It looks like the theme for this month, guys, is the Weaver. As we continue to work through magical processes and practices to strengthen our connection with all that surrounds us, we knowingly begin to create a woven tapestry of energy, intention, and experience. This tapestry is the manifestation of all our actions and efforts. In a world that there is so much information competing for our attention, it's important that we harness these energies towards manifesting those things that we truly wish and yearn for. It is through this sacred practice that we truly utilize our magical abilities. In this one-of-a-kind and exclusive collection, we provide unique tools to push our intentions through our realization, connecting with the sacred unknown, and leaning into the magical teachings of our guide. And they have a cute disclaimer letting everyone know their path is unique to themselves, so use the tools in the box that resonate with you. And I just love the Witch's Moon. They're so amazing. So that is the theme for this month, guys. And I'm just looking down here because I'm like, what else is in here? Everything is just always packaged amazing, guys. Do you see how good everything is? Nothing's ever broken when I receive it from them. There's a little card for this month, and it's so funny. I get this card because it's spring and everything, and to get a fertility card, that's funny. So it says, let's all take root, seed, and sprout. Let new life be all about. That's cute. So I'm pregnant, guys. I'm just joking, but the renewal, that like new energy of like spring, new starts, like new things coming into motion, creation. I feel that vibe with this tarot card, and sweet little card from them. It looks like there's also some magical Book of Shadows artwork in here, and I'm always happy to add this to my ever-growing Book of Shadows. Thanks to the Witch's Moon for always sending me these magical book pages. So it looks like I wish upon, through sparkling sight, through prayer of might, I wish upon, come to light, written in ink, loud and clear, allow my intentions to manifest appear. For within this wish I place my heart, with gifts of beauty the clock now starts. Allow this wish to wander, absorbed by the unforeseen. I trust its message will be read. A shining starlight see through sparkling sight, through prayer of might, I wish upon, I come to light, so mote it be. What a beautiful spell. And Spirits of Fate, Book of Shadows artwork. It looks like Maiden Mother Crone, Goddess Hecate over there. And there's just beautiful Book of Shadows artwork. I have all the close-ups for you guys, and the spell is so beautiful. I just love the unique magic, guys. I'm like so excited. What else is in here? Is there a Tibet bowl? Is there some kind of bowl that you could put water in, or is this a smudge bowl? What's this, guys? Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, there's a crystal too. Is this aragonite, guys? I think this is a piece of aragonite. Used to work at a crystal shop, and I was so into crystals. I still am, but I haven't been researching them too much. I think this is a piece of aragonite. It's like a more lower charka, root charka stone, and it just looks so pretty. I'm so happy to have a piece of this. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. It's so magical, guys, and so like this one's one of those delicate ones you want to be so careful with, and it would be so cool, like I always say, to make it into a necklace, little piece of jewelry, but the neck would be safer. So what a cute piece of aragonite. I still got it, guys. This was an aragonite crystal. This beautiful and unique stone is a truly favorite of ours. Aragonite is a wonderful companion during times of overwhelming stress and anxiety. In addition to being a calming agent, aragonite can help in raising our ability to communicate on a higher planes, assisting you in formulating your intentions into a clear and precise format. I could have used this today. I need a whole armor of it on. It's a pretty stone, so that was the neat crystal we got for the month, guys. And let's see what this is. I think I maybe got a mortal and pestle, but it's a wooden one. Let's see, guys. There's all this stuff that, oh, how cute. This little triquetra's in there. It's wood burn. And there's something else, guys. What is this? I'm so confused. Okay, so there's a cute bowl. It's this nice earth tone wood bowl. Nice earth energy with a triquetra. And what are the odds to give you a triquetra in this box, guys? And I'm wearing a triquetra. Can you guys see it? So, ooh, I can't wait to put my crystals in there and the aragonite. There's so much earth energy going on. Is this one of those cool, like, macrames? Or I don't know what you call it, but 1 second, guys. I'm gonna put you on pause and detangle this. So right away, guys, once I untangled this, it's like one of those wall hangings. Okay, I'm wearing white, so I have to have it up against me. There is a rune woven right here, and I forget what this means, but I think it's a rune. So this is the hanging hand-woven tapestry with teak intentions vessel. As with all handcrafted items created with purpose and intention, braiding and weaving have been found within magical practices dating back to early paganism and many other ancient cultures. These practices can be found as a deep meditative practice and are also known to push the creator into a trance-like state while weaving. It is said that during this process you can accomplish astral travel, meeting your guides and ancestors for advice on the pressing realities in your world. In our practices, we have always work with many handmade items as we were able to do to their authentic and ability to sustain specific energies. It is within these crafted items that we find a connection to our roots and a sense of inspiration for our current intentions. And I have all the information for you guys at the end of the video. My hand's actually vibrating with magic after I read that part that they made it with intention. I'm feeling the energy of this in my hand and it's like vibrating like crazy. So I have to read more about it, but I know teak wood is a neat magical wood to work with, and it's so cool that this was handmade, and I like how it's black, guys. It might match my room. We'll see if I could put it up. My cat might scratch it, but that's really cute, and I can't wait to read more about it, but my hand was just vibrating. Let's see what else is in this magical box. We got all this cool stuff. It looks like we got some herbs, guys. We have some blue cornflower. Also have some black kosh and some St. John's wort. So all the magical herbs for our potions. And there's a magical oil for this month, one of their awesome potions. Ooh, I just dropped it, guys. Let's see, this one is the Weaver Magical Anointing Oil. I wonder what it's gonna smell like. I see lavender in it. This smells so sweet, guys. It smells good. It smells like that Suave Kid shampoo. It's like, oh, I love their sweet oils. They just smell so like vibrant and alive, and people love it when I wear this at work. Let's see what else is in here. It looks like there's some magical incense, and these incense are manifest, and I love this, so I totally have to use this with some citrine I got from the Witch's Moon last time while I manifest. Let's see. This is a beautiful smell. It smells witchy, but it smells light at the same time, like a light magical manifesting, but it smells very witchy too. I like that. There is the Ballantine Blessings Magical Salt for your moon baths, and that's so cool. Let's see, Goddess Bridget energy over here. Ooh, I smell jasmine in there. It looks really pretty. There's some yellow flower in there too. Can't wait to take a cleansing bath with that. And I think there's one more thing in here, guys. We always get a neat magical spell candle, and it looks like this one is a light lilac purple, and I swear I've been seeing this lilac light purple color everywhere. I've been wanting to get my nails this color. It's so pretty. So this is a neat little magical beeswax candle, and I do have to say their beeswax candles are so nice, guys. They burn so clean and just nice, and they smell good too. I love them. So thank you so much for all these beautiful magical tools, Witch's Moon. I can't wait to use them in my practice. You guys should definitely check them out and let them know I sent you guys to them. Go to the description box in the comment section down below and visit their moon market. They just have single magical items for you guys to use on your spiritual path. And they have stuff like this. That was the Witch's Moon box, their Roots box, and their Bounty box that are different subscriptions as well. And yeah, they're amazing. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe. Turn on those post notifications down below. And yeah, like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys always be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. And so it is. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.